Hey guys, I wanted to pop on and do a review of Irresistible Me's hair extensions. They are the clip-in variety. I've been trying these out and I'm really very impressed. Obviously I have them in now. Now, I think a lot of people imagine that clip-in hair extensions are for people with quite short hair. So I always hear people going, well, I've got quite long hair, I don't need hair extensions. And I do have long hair. So for me, I was interested to see what they would give to my naturally long hair. And I think, as you can see, just without even standing up, they've given a lot of volume to kind of the crown of my head, which is something that I always struggle with. I have very thick hair, but it tends to go a bit flat. I have terrible trouble putting products on my hair. My hair doesn't like it. Very finicky about things like that. So I tend to just leave it. So my hair, for me, it does what it wants, really. It's never going to do anything that I kind of want it to do. And I'm alright with that. But I think with the Irresistible Me hair extensions, as I've been trying them, I've kind of got what everyone keeps going on about. I never understood really the big fascination with hair extensions until I owned a set of my own. Now these are Royal Remy hair extensions. They are 24 inches in length and 200 grams in weight. The colour I have is medium brown. I originally picked chocolate brown, and then Maddie, who is the wonderful marketing woman at Irresistible Me, went, well, maybe you should try medium brown, and she was right, because I do have a very strong red undertone in my hair and these are a dead-on match. As you can see, you really cannot tell the difference. Putting them in is a bit of a struggle because of that, because you can't tell what's my hair and what is the extension. Now I was going to go, as I said, for chocolate brown. I went for medium brown. They're a fabulous match. I was quite surprised at the length. I know 24 inches, it's like, well, yeah, that's quite long. But because my hair is so long anyway, I definitely wanted to be able to see them underneath my hair, if you see what I mean, like at the bottom of my hair. I didn't just want volume, I definitely wanted to add length. So now my hair is ridiculously long. I really like them. They're very easy to put in. Now I will confide in you, useless. I'm useless. I have no patience, and everything like this is just a chore for me. I'd never understand how to do these things. However, putting these in I found to be really quite easy. There is a wonderful tutorial on Irresistible Me's YouTube channel, which I will link down below, and it really is wonderful. I'm not just saying that, it's brilliant. It helped me out so much because I wouldn't have known where to put any of these pieces if it were not for that very short, very informative tutorial. I wouldn't have had a clue. Now the thing with the tutorial, I will say, I have I think kind of the biggest hair extension pack you can get. There are 9 pieces, I believe, in total. Correct me if I'm wrong, there are 9 pieces, and one of the main one is the 4 clip hair weft. Now on the tutorial on Irresistible Me's YouTube channel, they actually say that you have 3 clip wefts and no 4 one. So bear in mind that when she talks about the first 3 clip weft, if you're going to get these exact same kind of style, that's where you put the 4 one. It sounds really complicated, but it's not. But I had to take mine out again because I thought I had like 3 clips, and I actually had 2 3 clips and a 4 clip, because they're very heavy in weight. They're 200 grams, and the length as well. They are incredibly well made. I really like the fact that they don't feel like they're going to fall out. I was kind of concerned about that because I've never ever tried hair extensions before, and I thought, you know, they're just, I don't know, the clips are not going to attach to your hair and you're going to be walking down the street and they're going to fall out. They're not. They feel really secure, and I was also worried that you would be able to see them. I do have very thick hair. I used to have very thin hair, but now as I've got older I do have thick hair, so that's kind of a bonus for hiding them. But I was worried that you would still be able to see the weft, and you can't see them at all. It's fabulous. They're very easy to brush. That was another thing of mine that I was kind of concerned about. I was concerned that you wouldn't be able to kind of brush them because they kind of snag and pull, but they don't. They're very easy to brush. So I really like these. I think they're lovely. I really do. I think they're nice, and I'm so useless for stuff like this, so I think they're very nice. Personally, for me, I would wear them for a special occasion, photos. I do have to get some headshots done actually, so there we go. I would wear them for that, weddings, stuff like that, nights out. I wouldn't personally wear them every day, just because I have long hair already. However, if you have short hair, my god, I can see why people would wear these every single day, because once you've mastered how to put them in, I'd imagine that it doesn't take you that long at all. So I can imagine why people would want to wear these every day. I have straightened them, and I straightened them with the Braun Satin Hair 7 Senso Care. It's actually the world's first, and I've been getting to grips with this. Once again, I'm not very good with hair tools either. I should be ashamed of myself, calling myself a beauty vlogger. I really should. I'm not crap at hair. But I've been getting to grips with this. I really like it. The little button, the little panel on the front of the hair straightener is really cool, and it shows you that underneath the buttons rather, and you can set it with the big button in the middle, and it shows you whether you are going at the right speed, whether the moisture of your hair is right, because it's supposed to be used this on dry hair, not wet hair. So it gives a little smiley face if you're doing all those things right. I don't tend to do them right, but I will master it. I think it's really cool, and the thing that is different about the Braun Senso Care is that you can actually set a profile on it for your hair. So you do put it through once, and it kind of decides the temperature for your hair, and it calibrates it whilst you're straightening your hair. So it's not just a really hot hair styler that's going to fry the ends of your hair. It actually kind of calibrates it as you're doing it, on the day that you're doing it, at the time that you're doing it. It's a very, very cool thing. It's about £90, but for a hair tool, that's pretty reasonable, I think. I really like it. I think it's very nice. I haven't mastered it in its entirety. They also have a video on their YouTube channel. Once again, their YouTube channel is really useful for colour matching. Shows you all of the shades that they do, so you can actually see what they look like before you buy. I do have a discount code. It is Irresistible Catherine. I will put it down below, as well as the link. That is exclusive to my viewers. So yeah, that was very nice of Irresistible Me to give me a code, and that's a permanent code. So yeah, if you want to use that, it'll be there all the time. So I'm really happy. I am very, very happy with them. I think they're beautiful. And as I said, I would definitely wear them special occasions, nights out. The headshots I have to get done and haven't done on a Friday. Whoops. Terrible. And I really, really like them. I think they're very, very nice. There's something that I didn't think I would like as much as I do. That's the thing, because I thought they'd be tricky to put in, and I thought they would kind of be a bit of a hassle really, but they're not. They actually, the longer I've worn them, the more they feel like my hair. And there's just a plethora of tutorials. I didn't film a tutorial of me putting them in because it would be far too long, but there are millions of tutorials out there for Irresistible Me hair extensions, but I will link the one that they've done professionally on their YouTube channel for their site. I'll link that down below. So I hope you enjoyed that, in case you were interested in Irresistible Me. So yeah, that's it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.